Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to secure your accounts with Google 2FA, in this quick guide I will show you how to set up Google Authenticator step by step for any app like Instagram, Binance, Facebook or Gmail. So let's go. First, download Google Authenticator from the Play Store or App Store. This free app creates unique time-based login codes that change every 30 seconds. It looks something like this. Now open the app you want to protect. Let me go with Instagram. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the menu icon at the top right. Go to your account center. Go to the security section. Here tap two-factor authentication. Go with the Instagram. And here choose how you want to receive your notification. For now, we are going with authentication app. Tap next. And these are the instructions for the setup. Download an authentication app, which I guess we all already did. Then scan this barcode or QR code, which is right here. Or you can also copy the key and paste it in the authentication app. And after the barcode or QR code is scanned or the key is entered, your authentication app will generate a 6-digit code. Copy the code and then come back to Instagram to enter it. Here, simply open the Google Authenticator app. Then tap the plus icon at the bottom right. And then tap scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code on your screen, which I showed you in the Instagram account. You will then see a 6-digit code added in your app. Then go back to the original app and enter the 6-digit code from Google Authenticator before it expires. Tap confirm or enable and that's it. That's how you activate your 2FA. Most apps will now show you a list of backup codes. Write these down or store them securely. They will help you access your account if you ever lose your phone. To move 2FA to a new phone, tap the 3 lines menu icon in Google Authenticator. Tap export codes on the old phone and then import on the new one. And that's how, my friends, you set up a Google 2FA for any app. Now your accounts are protected with an extra layer of security. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.